Hi everyone, our math lesson today will be looking at partitioning. Our WALT is partition numbers into tens and ones using place value. You probably have seen this table already, separated into tens and ones. Now, we know that when we're using our MAB blocks, these are the ones and these are tens block. 10 of the ones here, over here, will make up one of these. So let's have a look at one of these. You should have a copy of this attached into your email. Now, how many tens do you see and how many ones do you see? That's right. Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3. You've got 3 tens over here. And how many ones do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, let's see if we can use our MAB blocks to put them into this table. Tens. So we have 1, 2, and 3 of the tens blocks. Does that match up with the picture? Yes, it does. And now, how many ones do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. Does that match up with the picture? Yes, it does. Now, if you just have a look at the tens column, 10 of the ones add up to a 10. Now, if you have one more of this 10 block, 10 plus 10, what does that equal to? 10 plus 10 equals to 20. If you want to check, you might want to count all of these. But it saves us time knowing that this is equal to 10 of the ones, the little ones. Now we've got 1 10, 2 10, and that makes up to 20, we know that. But what's 20 plus another 10? 20 plus 10. Ooh, that's right. 20 plus another 10 is equal to 30. We know that 1 10 makes a 10, 2 tens makes up 20, 3 tens makes up 30. And now coming back to our ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 5 ones. Now if you have more than, how many of these little blocks would you have to move to the tens column? That's right. If you have 10 of these little ones, that's when you move on to the tens column. Now because you only have 5, the ones stay here. Now let's see if we can write that down. So you can see you've got 3 tens and 5 ones. You should be able to write it down. Now you should, in your lesson, you would have done this before. Now you can use your circles. So over here, you know that you had 3 tens, which is what number? Equal to 30. You have 5 ones, which is equal to number 5. 30 plus 5 is 35. Excellent. Shall we try another one? Yep, excellent. Now, over here we have another one. How many tens do you see and how many ones do you see? Yep, you see 4 tens and 5 ones. Without using the MAB blocks, because you won't have them at home, you can go, oh, I have 4 tens, which is equal to, if you have 10 of those, 4 of these, equal to 40. And now I have 5 ones, which is the same as number 5. If you have 40 plus 5, what adds up to 40 plus 5? 45 is the answer. Well done, everyone.